From Apple Valley News Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Josh Colbreth.
Welcome back to Good Morning Northwest. Right now you're taking a live look at the Tri-Cities. You can see some low-lying clouds right now, and this is part of the storm system that's brought us, or I guess I could say this atmospheric wave that's brought us these little shower and thunderstorm chances over the past couple of days, including yesterday and today. We'll show you where those showers are for this morning in a second, but first, temperatures are in the 40s and 50s for the Yakima and Kittitas valleys. We're in the 50s and 60s for the lower Columbia Basin and middle to upper 50s for the foothills of the Blues. So there are some of us that probably need a light jacket as you're headed out the door this morning. And in extreme northwestern Kittitas County up near the pass, we are seeing some very light showers. We could see more of that throughout the rest of this morning. We'll go ahead and show you that with Futurecast. When we put this in the morning, we're going to put this into motion, and we're going to have multiple rounds of wet weather for today. Here's the first one happening during the morning, mainly up in the Cascades, maybe some of this trickling down into the Kittitas Valley. But then round number two, it's going to be a little bit later today into the afternoon and evening, mainly for the lower Columbia Basin and for the foothills of the Blues and for the Blue Mountains. It doesn't look like this is going to add up to that much at all, so I'm thinking when it's all said and done for today, most of us will end up being pretty dry. So for today, I think the big takeaway is that today is going to be much cooler as opposed to yesterday. We're going to be about 5 to 10 degrees below average for this time of the year, which means 70s for the Kittitas and Yakima valleys, will be near 80 for the lower Columbia Basin, and 60s and 70s for the foothills of the Blues. It's going to be another very windy day as the winds will gust mainly out of the west between 20 to 45 miles per hour, with some of the strongest wind gusts being in the Kittitas Valley and the lower Columbia Basin, also in the foothills of the Blue Mountains. And then for tonight, the skies will be clearing. We should be dry at this point. The winds will be relaxing, still gusting out of the west, though, between 20 to 30 miles per hour. We'll be in the 40s for the Kittitas and Yakima valleys, and the low 50s for the lower Columbia Basin, and a mixture of 40s and 50s for the foothills of the Blues. So again, very small chance for showers and storms for today, and then we have a string from Saturday to Wednesday, a string of days with very limited shower and thunderstorm chances. Sunday looks a little less impressive than it did just 24 hours back in terms of what the model data was saying. And our temperatures will be going up after this, but stabilizing from Saturday through Wednesday. Here's a 7-day forecast for the Cascades. We'll have a thunderstorm chance for this morning, and then another stretch of thunderstorm chances for Saturday and Sunday. For the Kittitas Valley, will be windy for today, and then another round of winds for Sunday through Wednesday. For the Yakima Valley, will be near sunny and 75 for today, but back into the mid to upper 80s for the weekend. For the lower basin, will be cool for late June for today, but the 90s do return by Saturday. Then for the foothills of the Blues, we'll have small shower chances for today, another small thunderstorm chance for Sunday, and then for the Blue Mountains, a thunderstorm chance for this afternoon and evening, and then another shot of that for Sunday and Monday.